You take it nice? Huh? Camera. Camera. No problem? Bucky slept in a coat and trouser. I never saw someone sleeping in a coat. That's so amazing. For toilet, but I have to take water in this pot for the toilet. I think now they got water from somewhere. I don't know how. Let me see. Maybe there's the water. Oh yeah. Look at the shoe places. They keep their shoes. Oh wow. What a simple life, and they are happy. And we in the West, we want to have stuff they've never seen, and we even complain that I don't have this and I don't have that. I want to buy this and I want to buy that. I mean, this is just yeah. Anyways, I'm going to the toilet now.
Is a pump, water pump.
Which place is this?
This is and that's water pump it here.
Okay.
The outside.
Okay, show it to me. Let's go and see how they get the water.
Water pump it. Oh, that place. Wow. That is a high.
Up there,
Okay.
the big one,
Yeah.
is a water place.
Yes.
And then you get water from the pipe.
The storage water.
Okay.
Yes, and then send it for
Everyone.
yeah everyone.
Ah, okay. So you have water every time?
Yeah.
All the time, 24 hours?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Where's your kitchen? Is this the one kitchen?
Yeah. Yeah. Not a special kitchen, you know.
It's okay. It's
Yes.
okay. Special kitchen is, everything is good. Yeah, but now here you're making bricks to build your house.
For new house.
For new house, okay. Yeah. Bye bye, my beautiful bedroom. I will come back. Okay, let's
I
go.
wish.
Yeah.
I wish you come back.
Assalamu alaikum ul banin.
And the car.
In the morning,
Breakfast in the morning. Okay.
you want to go. I told him it's okay, no problem. Thank you for हम लोगों को इधर जगह दिया आपने.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया.
No, thank you very much to keep us as your guest. Inshallah, next time we will come and then we will stay here because now we have to go to the airport. I have my flight, so we have to make it to Kabul. This place we're going to take a shower, and I think up there they have some rooms to live.
Burada da şey yapıyorsun.
Ne, bu toy şekli. Sen ne var?
Okay.
Bu ne sadece? Ne tutuyor?
सात रुपए.
What is this?
ये फेस वॉश करने के लिए.
Soap. It's a soap to clean the face. There are many shampoos.
7 रुपए है. 7 रुपए. 7 रुपए.
Okay.
दिखे चेयर.
Your shampoo, no? Okay.
इनकी पैसे नहीं.
Because there is no body shower gel, but only a soap for the body and a shampoo. For ladies, I guess. यहाँ पे औरतें भी आती हैं नहाने के लिए? Okay. So female also come here to take shower.
One shampoo you want?
One shampoo and one this. Okay.
Kullanmış galiba
Yeah.
bir şey exactly.
To clean the feet, I guess.
Yes, yes.
To clean the feet. Here you get toothpaste, and toothbrush, some towel they sell here, something. Any one of the showers. This one.
This one is better for you.
Okay, this one is better for me. Okay. So, okay, so that place is a heaven. This is where you take shower. They have hot and cold water, I guess. So I have to figure out what is this. Okay, some people have left their razors and some trash. A place here to. Okay, I have to lock the door. Okay. Yeah, so place to hang your clothes. A mirror. Okay, so if you want to sit and take shower, so here is also the to sit and take shower and shower up here. What a place to take shower, isn't it, Mr. Redman? I take shower and then I get back to you and tell you my experience about shower here in Afghanistan. See you later. Thank you to this Hammam in Bamiyan for offering me the hot shower here. And here are the lockers. Here are the lockers. Yeah? You put inside and take the key out. Okay, I think I can read this is number 14, 15, 16. Okay. Imagine that. And here is a place maybe Aap Kush Khana. I don't know what is this. Aap Kush Khana. Maybe to do some. Oh no, here is also shower. Mean this is like common. I don't know what is this inside here. Okay. Okay. Fun. Alaikum salam. Hot water. Okay, there is the open air shower. Hammam. And here, there's a cut your hair. So you come here, cut your hair, and then take shower and get freshed. How much did we pay him now?
With shampoos, with towels, with soups, with everything, with shoes.
400. दो बंदों का. Okay, so we paid 400 apps for towels, for soap and shampoo and 2 showers for 2 persons. Like $400. It's around $200 for 1 person. So what you can say that maybe a bit less than $2 for 1 person for 1 shower, including the towel. If you have your towel, you can bring. Then it's maybe yeah. So if you have your towel, you can bring. And then it's got maybe $1. So but basically $1 shower. Wow, what a place! For the Afghan ice cream called Shira Yakh Pazi Haji Chan Aga Parwani. Oh, I can read this. So they have 60 years of experience. So 60 years old shop. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, what is it doing now? You're taking ice? Huh? Camera. No problem? No problem? Barf, huh? This is ice. Yeah, okay. Mardame khura, huh? And this is? Okay.
Jola.
Okay. So some rice. Nishasta, okay. Rice noodles. Sharbat, okay. Some sugar syrup. Okay. So ice. Barf. Nishasta. Okay, so barf, ice, rice noodle, and sugar syrup. Okay.
YouTube neyse tövbe telefonu giderim. Ha ya.
Thank you. Here, okay. This was. Okay, like this. Yeah. What is this here? Some sweet. Wow. Okay, so he wants me to show it very close.
Yes.
Show it very close. Okay.
Very close.
Ah, okay.
Outside of the hill.
There are all the photos. Okay. So they all maybe the people who have been working here. Maybe they started, maybe their family. And there is Benazir also. I see here. There's also the Benazir. Okay, let me show her. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Tashakkur, shukran. Tashakkur. So people asking me to eat with them. But here I see Benazir with Hamid Karzai. Okay. Sheer yakh. Now tell me what is this? Here is the ice cream is here like this is sheer yakh?
Yes.
And what is this?
This is also sugar. This is Malai.
This is Malai, okay. So they mixed with, okay, this is like, so they have made like a very special. Let me see this. Oh man. This is like sweet milk only. It's only sweet milk, and that's why it's called sheer yakh. It's a sweet milk, but that's just amazing. Oh, the taste of that milk and with Malai. I see people are playing here cricket in Kabul, and cricket is the game that I used to play many years ago. So I want to see that if I can still play cricket here in Kabul. Look here, the people they are like playing, and they say that it is extremely dangerous to stay here with them because being a foreigner. But yeah, we'll see what happens to us. So far Afghanistan is like the best country so far I have been to.
John. Ne 25 سال از کرکت مگه نکردی؟ 4.
Okay.
Out! Out!
They pulled a 6 on me.
Yeah.
Anna. Tera man, okay. Bye bye. All right. Yeah. Thank you.